Check out this simple way to hang gyprock. Check this out. Hey, Dad?
Yes.
Top that in here. That was easy.
And we got an elevator.
Wow.
And this is your brake. This will roll right down. This will flip down. And then if you were putting a sheet on, you go right up where you want. And these here go right in like that. I could get that in if I wasn't there, and that would go right into the wall. Take. And then you just flip the sheet up and this holds it.
Nice.
And these extend to wherever you want. Like these here will go for the 8 foot. Got it?
Got it.
So now we're just going to hold it there. How are we looking?
Good.
That's how it's done.
That's how it's done.
Well, that's how easy we can do it. Now you can just take a little break and breathe.
Take a break. Have
Go for coffee if you want.
Yeah.
And do whatever. That's the nice part about it. Go the other way, you gotta get at it. Oh, one's on the floor already. Another one on the floor.
Woo! I mean, it can't get any easier than that. It just can't. It just can't get any easier. Work smarter, not harder, eh, Dad?
That's smarter, not harder is the way to go.
That's right.
But not hotter.
Not hotter. It is hot in here. Yeah. In a heat wave. Sheet number 2 getting ready.
And we can go for coffee now. Up. Up. I'll give you a pick up.